Today on The Wolf, we have lunch, yearbooks, and track team.
Now, from Studio 209, you are watching WVMS News, The Wolf.
Hello, and welcome to the beginning of February. It's me, Diego, and we're going to do el momento de silencio y el juramento de lealtad.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, and welcome to the beginning of February. It's me, Diego, and we're going to do el momento de silencio y el juramento de lealtad. Today for lunch, we have Nick's barbecue sandwich on a whole grain bun, hot and spicy bone-in chicken with a biscuit, and Uncrustable PB&J with Cheez-Its and a cheese stick. For side items, we have curly fries, Bush's baked beans, a garden salad, and veggie nibbles. For dessert, we have a chocolate chip or sugar cookie. Attention, Writers Club. Please plan to attend a meeting this Thursday. Bring something you're working on. Let's talk about the upcoming dance. On Friday, February 23rd, we will have the very first Valley Grass dance in the gym. The 6th grade dance will be from 5 o'clock until 6:30, and the 7th to 8th grade dance will be from 7 o'clock to 8:30. You may only come to your grade level dance. Tickets are $10 and you can scan the QR code on the dance flyers. Flyers are posted around the school and everyone will get a flyer and advisory. Or you can buy your ticket at the door on the night of the dance. The theme is similar to the Mardi Gras celebration that takes place in New Orleans every February. The main colors of Mardi Gras are purple, green, and gold. Purple symbolizes justice, green symbolizes faith, gold symbolizes power. The attire for Valley Grass is casual festive, and the school dress code applies. There will be a DJ, photo booth, and concessions. And we will be selling purple, green, and gold bead necklaces. The Creative Challenge starts today and ends on February 15th. So, what's the Creative Challenge? See these wonderful dots? They come in rainbow colors. Your challenge is to repropose one mouse pad in the color of your choice to create something fun, useful, cute, and enter it in the contest. Seamus gets to pick up your mouse pad. Now, in the sports zone. mention wolves. If you're interested in trying out for track, please stop by and see Coach Bryson in PE or Coach Churchman in the 6th grade hall for an information packet. We will be having pre-tryout conditioning days Monday, February 5 to Thursday, February 8th from 3:45 to 4:45 on the track. Tryouts will be February 12th and 13th for girls and February 15th and 16th for boys. You must have a clear finishing days and tryout. The mission of the West Valley Middle School community is to inspire the students to be resourceful and responsible citizens while providing a safe and challenging learning environment. It looks like this is the end of another news video. So, peace out and go Wolves.